As part of an investigation into alleged electoral fraud at the March 2 polls, 2 other Gecom staff have been charged and appeared before Chief Magistrate Anne McLennan at the Georgetown Magistrates Court on Monday morning. Enrique Livan, who served as clerical assistant in the District 4 office during the March 2 polls, is charged with allegedly manipulating the numbers of the SOPs so that they reflected fraudulent numbers for District 4. He was released on a $150,000 bail. Appearing for Mr. Livan is attorney-at-law UC Anderson.
And we get an opportunity to put our version of events out there and to interrogate the veracity of the state's case, our answers will be out there. Secondly, I want to make something very clear. At no point in time has Mr. Livan admitted any of the allegations made against him. Mr. Livan is innocent of the allegations made against him. And even when tremendous pressure was brought to bear on him, including being questioned in the dark of night at 9 p.m. on an empty stomach, this young man did not flinch and he did not fail. He was there alone. He was told a number of things, as you've heard in the press releases, and I am maintaining that he is innocent. Those are the instructions given to me by my client Nazima, and on the appropriate day, at the appropriate time, Mr. Livan will walk from these courts in the same way he's walking from them now, as a free citizen of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana.
Sheffer, February, another employee of the Guyana Elections Commission, has been charged with 2 counts to defraud the people of Guyana in her position as a clerk. Ms. February was released on $300,000 bail. As in the case of Mr. Mingo, the state objected to bail being granted. Mr. Anderson spoke about this.
Mr. Tariq Mohammed objected to bail on the grounds that my clients, Mr. Livan and Ms. February, are likely to interfere with witnesses having regard to the fact that they work at Gecom. Mr. Mohammed also objected to bail on the basis that such an offense is grave and serious. Mr. Tariq Mohammed, my learned friend, of course, and counsel, objected to bail, citing a report made by former Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Bruce Golding, that Mr. Bruce Golding has never seen such a transparent attempt at rigging an election. Those were, in summary, the gist of the objections raised by Mr. Tariq Mohammed.
February had been detained along with Carolyn Duncan, Michelle Miller, Enrique Livan, and returning officer Claremont Mingo.
On today's date, I wish to, on behalf of my clients, express sincere gratitude for the ruling of Her Worship Magistrate Anne McLennan in relation to granting bail. We are pleased, we are relieved, and we are blessed by her ruling. We are, of course, a little bit taken aback, as everyone is, by the citation of Bruce Golding's report and the comments he made in his Commonwealth Observer's report as the basis for objecting to bail. We look forward to our day in court and an opportunity to clear our clients' names.
Both Livan and February were ordered to return to court on the 25th of September. Travis Chase, HGP Nightly News.